Hi, we're making chocolate chip cookies, and we have the chocolate mix and the powder, and we have that between us, like these, and that's the end.
We're going to be baking chocolate chip cookies that are crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Here are the ingredients. One cup of butter, 1 cup granulated white sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of hot water, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of chocolate chip. We're gonna cream butter, white sugar, and brown sugar.
Yeah.
Do you want to pop it in?
What?
Put it in.
In?
You can put in this one. I'm putting in this one.
All of it?
Yep, all of it.
This one's like snow.
Yep. We're gonna beat in eggs one at a time.
Like crack, 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 crack.
Gia.
Crack, crack.
Oh, yep, there you go. Now push your finger through. Ooh. Make sure none of the shell comes out. Let me check. Okay. Dissolve baking soda in 2 teaspoons hot water.
Can I mix now? Can I mix now?
2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Ooh, there we go.
Funny.
Now we're gonna put in the hot water and baking soda mixture into the batter. Go, put it in. Ooh.
That is. Now we're gonna mix it like this. Just like a card. Now we're gonna have a lot of chocolate cookies. Like, so I could eat like this.
Now we're gonna add 3 cups of flour,
2 cups of chocolate cookies. Ooh.
Then we're gonna mix it thoroughly.
Can I mix it right there?
Sure. We're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna scoop it in an ungreased pan 2 inches apart because it's gonna expand. I'm gonna bake these for 10 to 15 minutes. These look like ice cream. Here's the finished product of our cookies. Good. Yummy? Mm-hmm. Just a little hot.
I finished my food. we had an amazing explosion. And it goes, when we mix it, it goes boom! And then we watched our antenna read. And it was so funny.